Well, let me show you something here. This is something that haven't messed with in a while. Cardboard box. Looks like it's got some dust bunnies hooked to it. Anyway, a couple wires coming out of it, and a couple wire connectors. I'm going to hook it onto this battery here. See if I can anyway. I'll show you what this thing does here, and then I'll explain its function. So there's another piece there. Yeah, it's a little horn. I think it was actually off a Subaru. But I put it in a box, put foam around it. And you might think, well, that's pretty stupid. What do you need that for? Well, I'll tell you what I was having trouble with occasionally. I had a blown fuse on a pickup. And we traced it out, and it actually was for several circuits. It's one of those kind of a circuits that goes in and it spreads out to a whole bunch of different things. So what we did was went in there and hooked this in the place of the fuse. You can use a headlight too. Some people will do that, like a little spotlight or regular headlight or something like that. But what you do is you hook this in where the fuse goes and let it sit there and honk. And it's not real loud inside the box. And then you can go move wires around and things like that, and open doors and you know, open the trunk lid and things like that, because sometimes the trunk hinge will actually short out. And we could find shorted wires or shorted harnesses, and they used to have Ford had a big problem with some of the harnesses would actually around the side of the engine, they would fall down onto the exhaust manifold. You know, if the exhaust manifold was like right in here and the harness was kind of up by the valve cover, somebody do some work to it and they'd get it to where the thing was too close, and it would just fall on the exhaust manifold, and it would sit there and it would cook that harness and it'd start popping fuses. And if you didn't notice that, or didn't notice a smell or something like that, and it just blew fuses, sometimes you had to